Take that plug out. You're gonna lay this flat. Nice and tight. You can see that I got a pretty good seal on it, but you can see the seal squeezing through the bolt hole. Okay, so you need it almost like a sand consistency. Just dry. Just enough. So you can pack it in and work it. And then you can screw it. I want to make sure you have at least an inch. A little bit from the back. Yeah, fill that in. And then get the other side pitch. Follow the level. The floor should be level, but it should be pitching this way. Okay, that's level that in. Now, you're going to find your pitch. Everything's draining down to the drain. Okay. Yeah, you got a good pitch there. Now, very important, in this step while the mortar is still wet, I'm going to take a drain and back it out at least 3/8 of an inch. That way, it'll be high enough so that when you install your tile, plus your thin set, you have enough clearance.